Okay guys, here's my son Isaiah. He's going to step it up a bit from the HX to the Venom Beacon. It's a lot bigger. Same coaxial style, but a lot more aggressive, so a lot more powerful, a little more scary to fly, I guess. Give her, Isaiah. Bring her up, come on, bring her up. Bring her up. Take her easy though. That's it. Get her in the middle and do another pirouette. Pirouette. Yeah. That's it, buddy. You got this, Isaiah. Don't try and go nose in yet.
I'm flying it better than you when you first got it.
You were flying it way better than me when I first got it. Okay, don't get too cocky. Light, small movements, Isaiah. It'll last longer, the battery. You're doing good though, pal. Alright. Okay, don't let it slam down too hard. That's it, bud. Wow. Look at that throttle control. I don't even need to tell you what to do. I'm impressed, man.
That's really good, Isaiah.
He understands how to fly now.
Yeah.
There you go, just to show you that it's my 8-year-old doing it. So for some of you guys out there still trying to fly, you could probably take a few lessons from my boy over here. From me bye. Thunder and Jesus bye. He's flying a helicopter. Well, you done?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put this in the video too, okay? Or I'm just gonna make your own video, okay, with this one, alright? Okay? That's it. Turn your tail in. Attaboy. That was pretty good, Isaiah. You were still doing it right. You remembered that side is still to the side and forward is still forward. Good job, pal. You did it though. You saved it from crashing. You did a great job. That's full throttle. Sometimes it gets too windy. Oh, it's dying. Yep, land it. Yep.